This video will explain how you can offer wedding officiant services as a notary and earn more money. Did you know that every wedding license requires to be notarized, which makes being a wedding officiant the perfect opportunity to be a one-stop shop for your clients, and also saves them time and trouble of hiring both an ordained officiant and a notary. Officiating weddings can earn you $100 to $250 per ceremony, which takes less than an hour. To get started, you'll first need to get ordained, which can easily be done online. An online ordination allows you to complete the training online for free. Once you're ordained and registered, you can start officiating weddings. To maximize your income as a wedding officiant, you can refer clients to local vendors and get paid. And for a fee, you can also offer wedding planner services if they don't already have one. Most importantly, notarize their wedding license on the spot. By doing so, you're able to charge additional fees for your services. Here's a range of fees you can charge per ceremony. A notarial fee allowed by your state, wedding officiant fees from $100 to $250, and a travel fee of $50 to $100 if traveling is required. That's easily $100 to $250 per ceremony. The best part about this recession-proof niche is that weddings occur throughout the year, and anyone over the age of 18 is a potential client, which gives you plenty of business opportunities as a wedding officiant. To get more information on becoming a wedding officiant, click the link below.